Welcome, dear students of class 7 English. Today we'll start the fourth lesson of our English text, English 1. The lesson name Uncle Podger Leaves for Work. Have you ever been late for anything? Make a list of the excuses that you would give if you missed something or arrived late at any event. So there are 4 lines given away. You write 4 such lines where you make excuses when you cannot attend the particular occasion or event. I was not well, so I could not attend the meeting. So 4 other types of this excuses that you will give for not attending that particular function or event or class, or when you are late. So all these things are very common in our life. We make this type of excuses on a daily basis, so you one or the other way. So you must be also doing it. So let's see how you write and we'll discuss. Okay, so you write this on your own. This 4, got it? The first is given examples, accordingly you write it. So here, as you know from this activity, that these lines are taken together will give you idea of the lesson content will be about how or what happens when we don't do our work beforehand, or our daily schedule is there. If you don't other or follow it in a proper way, beforehand we don't do our activity, then what happens that delays our time. And particularly in this case, you can see in the picture below that the railway station is there, and therefore the people who are running for catching the train, because the train will not stop for you. It has a schedule of time. According to that time schedule only it will proceed and arrive to and from the train. This train and railway station are always full of people who come and go, and it is very funny sometimes. You can see very fun people are making of these people running to catch the train and reach the station so that they don't miss the train. So this type of activity is common on the railway stations and other airports, so that people have to make a hurry because they are late, and that late is creating trouble for you, because if you miss that train or miss that particular scheduled flight or like that, or any means of transportation, what will happen? You will not be able to reach to your destination or place in a proper time frame, and therefore you will be in trouble. So here that thing is given away. Now here is the character of Uncle Podger, and this Uncle Podger is actually the character which is creating problem for himself and how he gets delayed. So he preaches what and does what. Preaches means he tells that we should be do things in a proper way beforehand, and this and that, and he himself makes delay, and this creates problems from him. We'll see. It's a funny story, and we will have a lot of fun while reading the lesson. We all get delayed for various reasons, right? We get delayed for many reasons are there. Sometimes genuine, sometimes we make excuses as we have written up. The reasons are true, and sometimes we are at fault for causing the delay. We ourselves are responsible for this cause of delay, and we all give excuses for being late or simply pay the price for it. कीमत चुकानी पड़ती है ना. अगर लेट जाते हैं तो पनिशमेंट मिलती है स्कूल में, या फिर आप ट्रेन में जाना है और टाइम पे नहीं गए तो आप ट्रेन छूट जाएगी, and you will be in trouble. In this story, which is an extract from the 3 Men of the Bummel, we witness a morning in the life of Uncle Podger. Morning में Uncle Podger क्या करते हैं? What happens? Who for various reasons invariably gets delayed. Invariably means without fail, he will always get delayed. Gets delayed every day and blames everyone but himself for missing the train. So he himself says that yes, I missed the train because of my fault. He accepts also. But what are the things that happens that makes the delay? We will see. From my uncle Podger's house to the railway station was an 8 minutes walk. So from his house to the this particular railway station is only 8 minutes walk. What my uncle always said was, always allow yourself a quarter of an hour and take it easily. कहीं भी कोई भी जगह पे आप 15 मिनट जल्दी चले जाओ तो आप बहुत ही सुकून महसूस करोगे. यू विल बी फीलिंग एट ईज कि एवरीथिंग इज ओके, आई एम ऑन टाइम, बिफोर टाइम, and you will be ready for what thing are to be done, or that will give you a lot of easiness. That's a very very famous saying also. Always we reach quarter, 15 minute. Quarter means 15 minutes. If you go early to a place where you have to reach, then that you will feel, and you can take easily things easily. Nothing is going to go wrong now. What we always did was to start 5 minutes before the time we ran. My uncle, he said 15 minutes जल्दी जाने का, लेकिन खुद जाते थे 5 मिनट पहले ही निकलते थे. I do not know why, but this was the custom of the suburb. Suburb means outside the city. तो suburb में जो है this particular place, the year Mr. Podger he is always running late. Many stout city gentlemen lived in Ealing in those days. एलिंग इज़ द मेजर सबर्बन सिटी. सबर्ब की एक सिटी है लंदन में, जहाँ पे इंग्लैंड में. तो यहाँ पे ना वो जगह सबर्ब का नाम दिया गया. इन दोज डेज आई बिलीव सम लिव देयर स्टिल. ऐसे लोग आज भी है जो ना 5 मिनट पहले निकलते हैं, कहने का मतलब. एंड कॉट अर्ली ट्रेन्स टू टाउन. दे ऑल started late. They all carried a black bag and a newspaper in one hand. Black bag, daily things, like drinking water bottles and even lunch box or that way, and with them newspaper also. So when you're free in the train, you can read that. You must have seen people reading newspaper when you go in the train. And an umbrella in the other. So umbrella is very important over there in England, कभी भी बारिश होगी ना वहाँ पे, not very heavy, but you will get wet that way. So umbrella is handy. Then straight away आप open करो umbrella and leave it yourself, and for yourself dry. And for the last quarter of a mile to the station were wet or fine, they all ran. बारिश होती थी या सूखा रहता था, वो भागते थे to the station. A quarter of a mile, 1 माइल का जो चौथा भाग था उतना पार्ट बाकी था, तो भागते थे. वाई? बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू कैच द ट्रेन. फॉक्स विथ नथिंग एल्स टू डू. और बाजू में खड़े थे, देखिए आप आगे पहले पेज में फ़ोटो में देख सकते हैं कि नर्स मेड्स, फॉक्स यानी लोग जो जिनको कोई काम नहीं है, बैठे रहते हैं देखने के लिए लोगों को. नर्स मेड्स, चीफली एंड एरंड बॉयज़. नर्समेड्स चीफली, नर्समेड्स जो नर्सिंग का काम करते हैं वो खड़े होते हैं. एंड एरंड बॉयज मीन्स काम करने के लिए जा रहे बच्चे. विथ नाउ एंड देन perambulating meaning you can see walking or traveling through or around a place slowly, not with early eagerness to reach at a place walking fast. So that is known as perambulating. Costermonger means those people who sell their products on the from their hand carts. Hand carts means हाथ से लारी चलाने वाले, लारी. That is called a costermonger added. Some gather on the common of a fine morning to watch them pass. ये सब सारे इकट्ठे होते हैं कि कैसे लोग भागते हैं, देखते हैं, मज़ा आता है ना लोगों को भागते हुए देखते हैं. And therefore he says, fine morning to watch them pass and cheer the most deserving. सबसे डिजर्विंग होता है, अच्छी तरह भागता है और डरा हुआ लगता है, वो उनको अच्छा लगता है, तो वो डिज़र्व करता है हंसने का. तो डिज़र्व मीन्स उसके लायक होना, हंसी के लायक हो, ऐसे लोगों को देखने के लिए. It was not a showy spectacle. शोई बहुत ना देखने लायक नहीं होता था. लोग भागते थे, तो इट वॉज नॉट वेरी गुड स्पेक्टिकल टू वॉच. डरे हुए भागते हुए. दे डिड नॉट रन वेल, दे डिड नॉट इवन रन फास्ट, बट दे वर अर्नेस्ट. बहुत जोर से भी नहीं भागते थे, बहुत ना धीरे भी नहीं, लेकिन वो भागते थे कैसे कि अर्नेस्टली मीन्स कोई काम वो ध्यान से. आप जो आपको पता है कि ट्रेन पकड़नी है, तो आप जो वो ध्यान में रख के ही आगे बढ़ते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड योर अर्नेस्ट, समथिंग यू डू टू अचीव दैट, आइज ऑन दैट. एंड दे डिड देयर बेस्ट. जब कैसे भी करके यू कांट कैच द ट्रेन. द एग्जीबिशन अपील्ड less or one's sense of art than to one's natural admiration for conscientious effort. Appeal less to one's sense of art. कोई आर्टफुल थिंग नहीं था, लेकिन conscientious effort, जो एडमायरेशन पर एडमायर करते थे लोग उनको. एडमायर यानी देखने को उत्सुक थे. क्या? कॉन्सेंटस एफर्ट. जब मैंने बताया वैसे जब ट्रेन को पकड़ना है, उस टाइम छूट जाने का का डर रहता है, वो ध्यान में रख के जो वो एफर्ट लगाते हैं ना, दैट इज नोन एज द कॉन्सेंटस एफर्ट. इट वॉज नॉट दैट माई अंकल डिड नॉट राइज अर्ली इनफ. कारण ये नहीं था कि लेट उठते थे ना. कई बार आप एक लेट उठते हो ना स्कूल जाने के टाइम. दैट वे इट वॉज नॉट. इट वॉज दैट ट्रबल्स केम टू हिम एट द लास्ट मोमेंट. लास्ट मोमेंट में ही प्रॉब्लम होता था. शुरू उठ तो जाते थे पहले. The first thing he could do after breakfast was to lose his newspaper. First thing newspaper he खो देते थे. You must have seen many people, while taking breakfast, they scan through the newspaper. देखते हैं. We always knew that Uncle Podger had lost anything by the expression of astonished indignation. Indignation word is also down given. See, anger about an unfair situation. तो unfair situation हो गया. गुस्सा जो दिखाते ना, that Uncle Podger was showing on his face whenever he lost something. So further we see, students, expression of astonished indignation with which on such occasion he would regard the world in general. It never occurred to my Uncle Podger to say to himself, I am a careless man. खुद बोलते थे, I am careless. मैं बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं रखता हूँ. I lose everything. सब कुछ खो देता हूँ. I never know where I have put anything. I am quite incapable of finding it again for myself. मेरे लिए खुद ढूंढना है वो चीज़ कहाँ रखी तो मुझे याद नहीं रहता. Incapable हो जाता हूँ. Incapable means मेरी हैसियत के बाहर हो जाता है, पता ही नहीं रहता है. आई मस्ट बी अ परफेक्ट न्यूसेंस टू एवरीबडी. न्यूसेंस, सबको दिक्कत पैदा करने वाले कोई लोग होता है, वो न्यूसेंस क्रिएट करते हैं. दैट वे आई एम फॉर द अदर मेंबर्स इन द फैमिली. एवरीबडी अबाउट मी. आई मस्ट सेट अ वर्क एंड चेंज माई सेल्फ. आई मस्ट सेट टू वर्क ना. कैसे भी कुछ काम पे लगना चाहिए कि कैसे सही हो, ऐसा अंकल पॉजर सोचते थे. On the contrary, by some peculiar course of reasoning, he had convinced himself that whenever he lost a thing, it was everybody else's fault in the house but his own. So whenever, on the contrary means उससे उल्टा. By some peculiar course of reasoning, अपनी सोच, कुछ कारण जब ढूंढना होता था, तो he had convinced himself, अपने को कन्विंस करते थे. अपने आप को कन्विंस करना मीन्स अपने आप को संतोष हो सके ऐसा प्रकट करना. दैट whenever he lost the thing, it was everybody else's fault in the house but his own. Everybody else's fault in the house but his own. दूसरों का फैमिली मेम्बर्स का कोई रीज़न नहीं था कि नहीं उनकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम होता था. it was because of his own thing that he was losing things or misplacing it. I had in my hand not a minute ago he could exclaim. वो exclaim करना means भाव प्रकट करना अचानक. I had it it in my hand here not a minute ago. एक मिनट नहीं हुई इससे पहले मेरे हाथ में था. क्या? The newspaper is lost, is telling. From his tone you could have thought he was living surrounded by conjurers. Conjurers means जो चीज़ ना गायब कर देते हैं, conjurers है ना, जादूगर. तो हम कोई ऐसा है जिसकी वजह से ना किसी को ब्लेम नहीं करता है, लेकिन वो बोलता है कि ये मेरे सराउंडिंग में आगे पीछे कोई ऐसा रहता है जो ना चीज़ें गायब करता है. बोले हु स्पिरिटेड अवे थिंग्स फ्रॉम हिम merely टू इरिटेट हिम. और ऐसी चीज़ें वो ना गायब करके मुझे इरिटेट करता है. इरिटेट मीन्स मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगे ऐसा करने का, वो उसका रीज़न होता है, इसके लिए ऐसा करता है. तो दैट वे you can see up till now Uncle Podge's this story. The remaining story of this particular lesson will continue in the next period.